What have we had in replacement? A JCB 51640 with already part of the steering problem we had with ours. If you look, the wheels on are nowhere near straight. You probably can't see from that. We'll get out and I'll show you what I mean. If you look, you can see the steering. There's the front axle is straight and the back axle off at an angle. It's just like this. Well, when they gave it to us, I showed it to the driver as he dropped it off. So. Well, I didn't really have time to do a proper review on this loader because they rang up at 9 o'clock on Wednesday morning and said they were going to be there for it in about an hour's time. So we had to quickly pressure wash it down, which you'll see in a moment. We had to get the pressure washers inside because that was been frosty, so we had to
get that out. And but what do I think of it? Well, the steering wheel, you've seen how that wasn't quite in line, but the bucket on it was rubbish. It just wouldn't hold any mucking. I think that was more of a dirt bucket than a muck bucket. But yeah, but anyway, it's gone back now. But no, I don't really rate it. Not for what we wanted it for anyway. And the tyres they really easily lost traction in the shed when we were pushing out the muck. The Weidemann seems to have more traction than the JCB does. Could be because it has the 3-point linkage on the back with the thing on the back with a bale on sometimes, or it just could be because it's got the Weidemann's got slightly bigger tyres. But anyway, that's gone back now, and we're now back to the Weidemann, which we'll now see arriving.
Back to the stocking machine. We still haven't got any floor on the back. We're going to use some old round bales, obviously that push off muck weight don't work, but it's a lot better than the other machine we had.
Thanks for watching another one of my videos. All been yard work this week because it's too wet on the fields and we're not doing any until we lift some more bait. But yeah, it's been a good week. I think you liked that last week's video. It gave me lots of subscribers and loads of views, so I don't think this video will be as good, but we'll see what happens when it goes out. But don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, which is up here, and another one of my videos is over here. Cheers guys, see ya, bye.